Have you designed a system that works the way you think? Welcome to the Maximize Your Results series. I'm Lilia, and today we're stripping away the overwhelm that often comes with productivity advice. You don't need a tech degree or a color-coded control center. You need something more powerful, a system that feels intuitive, effortless, and built for the way you think, move, and focus. Let's begin by redefining what a personal productivity system actually is. It's not a collection of fancy apps or rigid frameworks. It's a simple, intentional structure that helps you capture ideas, plan priorities, and move through your day with clarity and ease. It starts with having a reliable capture system. Because inspiration rarely waits for the right moment, you need a place to store thoughts the instant they show up, whether it's a notebook, a voice memo, or a quick note in your favorite app. The tool doesn't matter as much as your consistency. When you know exactly where your ideas live, your mind can rest and your focus returns. From there, you need a clear space for action. A task manager, not a never-ending to-do list, but a home for your next steps. Whether it's post-it notes, a simple app, or a structured digital board, the key is to organize tasks by context or project. Keep it simple. Keep it honest. Use it daily, and let it be your anchor. Your calendar plays a different role. It's not just about logging appointments. It's about protecting time that matters. Schedule your deep work hours. Make space for rest, reflection, and recovery. Give your passions and priorities a home, not just your obligations. Color coding helps if you're visual, but the real power lies in claiming time as yours, intentionally. Then comes your weekly check-in, your ritual of recalibration. Once a week, pause. Look at what you've completed, what energized you, what drained you, and what deserves more attention in the week ahead. This is not about judgment. It's about alignment. Are you living in flow with your goals, or just moving through motions? Each morning, take 5 minutes to meet your day with presence. Review your key tasks. Pick your top 3 priorities. Breathe. Ground yourself in purpose before the whirlwind begins. This quiet moment sets the tone. It shifts you from reaction to intention. Some people add layers, templates, checklists, or automation, but those are refinements, not foundations. Start with the essentials. One trusted place for ideas, one clear space for tasks, one ritual to review and realign. That's your garden. Everything else is fertilizer. And now, pause for a moment. Where is your system breaking down? Are you collecting ideas in too many places? Skipping the weekly reset? Relying on willpower instead of clarity? If so, it's not a failure. It's an invitation. Let your system be a reflection of your rhythm. Let it hold your vision, not complicate your life. Productivity isn't about getting everything done. It's about doing what truly matters, with grace and flow. So, what would change if your system felt like an extension of your clarity, instead of a tool you keep chasing? Subscribe for more.